Americans in this Going Green movement that has recently occurred are looking into hybrid cars as a good way to erase our carbon footprint. Although that is a good step in lowering the emissions that are harmful to our environment, I have recently been asking myself, what are the harmful effects that batteries have on our atmosphere, and what are some good alternatives? So today I will be talking to you about batteries and their harmful contents and some good alternatives being diesel and biodiesel. First, let's take a look at the kinds of batteries and what we need to know about batteries. First, there are three kinds of batteries. We have lead acid batteries, nickel metal hydride batteries, and lithium ion batteries. Most commonly used in cars is the lead acid battery, which is the most toxic of all three, and they are extremely heavy, which cuts down on the efficiency of the hybrid vehicle. Nickel metal hydride is less toxic than the lead acid battery, but its worst feature is that it puts off more carcinogens in 1 minute of use as the same as smoking a pack of cigarettes, which is horrible for anyone who is breathing the air around the battery. The third type of battery is a lithium ion battery, which is the most clean and most green so far of the three, but right now we've only mastered to use small lithium ion batteries, such as in your cell phone or your laptop. But billions of dollars are being spent by our government in finding a way to make a lithium ion battery pack useful in a hybrid car. Now, I'm going to talk about diesel, which is a great alternative for the harmful effects that batteries have. There are three parts in the refining of crude oil, which is separation, conversion, and purification. When you get pure diesel after the process, it contains about 500 parts per million sulfuric acid, which is extremely harmful for our atmosphere. But what's sold at your gas station at the pump is called ultra low sulfur diesel, which only contains about 15 parts per million, which is a lot cleaner. But then even more exciting and cleaner and greener is biodiesel, which I am super excited about because it can be made out of resources such as algae, animal fat, and vegetable oil. Most green would be using vegetable oil because restaurants use a ton of it, and you can't just dump it in landfills, therefore it can't be thrown away. The restaurant has to contain it in a container, and then someone comes to pick it up to recycle it, reuse it, whatever they do with it. So that's where you come in. You get permission from a local restaurant to pick up their used vegetable oil, and then it goes through a process called transesterification. It's when you add an alcohol and a catalyst to the vegetable oil, which most commonly use methane as the alcohol and a lye for the catalyst. And then that mixture mixes for approximately an hour, and then you get two products from the chemical reaction. You get methyl esters, which is basically, it's the chemical name for your biodiesel. So it's way easier process. And then the second product you get is glycerin, which is used for the production of soap. Therefore, you get a product that works for you, and you also get a product that you can sell to a soap maker, or you can start producing your own soap as well. The worst part to creating biodiesel is that you have to clean it, and most commonly is a water wash. Well, it takes 3 gallons of water to wash only 1 gallon of biodiesel, which is really, really harmful. But they've recently come up with a dry cleansing mixture, which is wood chips. But the only bad side to that is that it cuts down on the lye that your vegetable oil or the glycerin that your vegetable oil produces, which is okay because then you're not wasting water. So there are a lot of risks to creating your own fuel because methanol is extremely flammable and can really, really hurt you. But I would say that at 80 cents a gallon, the risks, the rewards much outweigh the risks, and 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 then you get the reward of lessening our carbon footprint and making a better environment for generations to come. After all, finding a good planet is hard to come by. Thanks.